Okay, yo, what up? So it's Rasmus here, filming a teaser for my upcoming tutorial on speech to text, then neural machine translation, and then finally text to speech, and how we bundle those together to have this kind of cool demo about like transcription services or whatever. So without further ado, I will show you the short demo. Moi, mitä kuuluu?
How are you?
Minulle kuuluu hyvää.
I'm fine.
Missä on lähin bussiasema?
Where is the nearest bus station?
And there you have it. So I will be posting the tutorial video later. I don't yet know when, but I hope that you're excited for that. So stay tuned.